Elon Musk has once again surprised the world, and this time he's directing his efforts toward the US smartphone market, known for revolutionizing industries like automotive, space, and clean energy. Musk is now setting his sights on a new frontier, the mobile device industry, with the imminent launch of the Tesla phone, or PI phone, as some are calling it. Musk is making a bold move to compete directly with established giants like Apple and Google. But what makes this move so intriguing is that the Tesla phone is not just another smartphone. It has the potential to be the connecting point between all the innovations Musk already leads, from Tesla's electric vehicles to Starlink satellite internet, creating an ecosystem that could transform how Americans interact with technology. For the US audience, particularly those over 50, this new technology could offer real and practical solutions. In recent years, many Americans have started seeking a more connected and efficient life, especially with the rise of remote work and the digitalization of many aspects of daily life. This is exactly where the Tesla phone stands out. It's not just a phone. It could be the key to connecting your home, car, and even your lifestyle into a single device. For instance, in the United States, a country with vast rural and suburban areas, many citizens still struggle to get a reliable internet connection. The Tesla phone promises to solve this issue by providing stable connectivity in remote areas. The Starlink satellite network, which is already operational, offers coverage in places where traditional cell towers can't reach. This means that if you're traveling along Route 66 or exploring the mountains in Colorado, you'll still have access to high-speed internet. For older Americans, who often seek tranquility away from big cities, this is a significant advantage, as Elon Musk's proposal with the Tesla phone goes beyond mere connectivity. We're talking about a phone that could literally transform your lifestyle. If you own a Tesla, for example, the PI phone will be the perfect tool to control every aspect of your car. Imagine being able to check your electric car's battery level while having coffee, or even remotely starting the car on a cold winter morning, adjusting the temperature before you even step inside. Additionally, for those who have already invested in Tesla solar panels or Powerwall energy systems, the PI phone will allow you to monitor and control your home's energy usage. At a time when sustainability is trending among environmentally conscious Americans, the idea of a device that helps manage and optimize energy consumption is a major draw. And of course, this could also result in long-term savings, something many Americans over 50 are starting to prioritize as they plan for retirement. But one of the most impressive aspects of the Tesla phone is its integration with cutting-edge artificial intelligence. In the US, the adoption of voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant has grown significantly in recent years. However, the PI phone promises to take this technology to the next level. The AI developed by Tesla will not only respond to simple commands, like setting alarms or sending text messages, but will also be able to learn from the user, anticipating their needs in a much more sophisticated way. If you're over 50, you might be familiar with the challenges of technology, which sometimes feels more complicated than helpful. So the Tesla phone promises to simplify this experience, making technology more intuitive and accessible. The phone's advanced AI will be able to recognize patterns in your daily behavior. For example, if you usually go for morning walks, the PI phone could automatically adjust your climate settings, suggest alternative routes to avoid traffic, and even recommend music or podcasts based on what you typically listen to during these walks. Additionally, the AI will be integrated with Tesla vehicles in a way that could surprise even the most experienced users. Imagine you're driving down the highway, and the AI detects that you're approaching an area with heavy traffic. Based on your previous preferences, the PI phone could automatically suggest an alternative route, helping you avoid congestion and save time. For older drivers who may prefer to avoid the stress of driving in heavy traffic, this feature could be a great relief. Furthermore, in the United States, online privacy is a hot topic, especially among the older generation, who value the security of their personal information. Elon Musk is fully aware of this, and one of the major promises of the Tesla phone is its innovative approach to protecting user data. Unlike many big tech companies, which rely on data collection to generate revenue, Tesla is taking a more conscious approach to privacy. The Tesla phone's operating system will be designed to minimize data collection. This means your personal data, from browsing history to information about your daily habits, will remain secure and private. In a world where privacy invasion through technologies like virtual assistants has become increasingly common, this is a huge advantage. For Americans over 50, many of whom lived before the digital age and remember a time when privacy was a given, this promise of security is a key factor. Additionally, the advanced encryption and security protections of the iPhone have been designed to withstand cyber attacks, something that has become a growing concern as Americans become more dependent on technology. With digital security becoming increasingly crucial, the Tesla phone could be a solid choice for those who prioritize protecting their information. Moreover, the arrival of the Tesla phone in the US market not only challenges giants like Apple and Google, but could also have significant economic implications. The smartphone market in the US is extremely competitive, and the entry of an innovative company like Tesla could force others to reassess their strategies. For consumers, this means we'll likely see more innovation and potentially more competitive prices. Smartphones are now an essential part of practically every American's life. From personal use to workplace productivity, mobile devices are indispensable tools. For the tech industry in the US, this represents both an opportunity and a challenge. If the Tesla phone succeeds, tech companies will have to work harder to offer products that meet the growing expectations of American consumers. Competition, as we know, is beneficial for the market since it promotes faster advancements and more disruptive innovations. Now, one of the biggest concerns for American consumers regarding a new device is the cost. After all, in the US, life has become increasingly expensive, and many Americans, especially those over 50 who are approaching retirement, are more cautious with their spending. The good news is that Elon Musk has promised that the Tesla phone will be competitive in terms of price. It won't just be a luxury device, but something accessible to a wide range of consumers. Tesla has already demonstrated its ability to innovate while keeping costs relatively low with its electric vehicles. The expectation is that the iPhone will follow the same path, offering high technology at a price that competes directly with top-tier smartphones like the iPhone and Android devices. For Americans looking for innovation, but who don't want to spend a fortune, this is great news. Moreover, Tesla could offer financing programs, as it does with its cars, making the Tesla phone even more accessible to those who want to adopt this new technology. This could be especially appealing to the older demographic, who may prefer more flexible payment options, making the transition to this new technological era easier without compromising the family budget. In the United States, where the cost of living is rising in many areas, this financial accessibility is an important factor to ensure that the Tesla phone doesn't just become a niche product, but a tool available to a large number of Americans. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that Elon Musk is known for having a keen eye for the needs of the mass market. While Tesla started with more expensive vehicles like the Model S, the company quickly moved to create the more affordable and widely accepted Model 3. Therefore, it's reasonable to expect that the Tesla phone will follow a similar path, possibly starting with a premium version, but evolving into models that cater to a wider range of US consumers, including those looking for great value for money. One of the challenges faced by many Americans, especially those living in rural areas, is the lack of adequate connectivity. While large urban centers in the US are well served by internet infrastructure and cell phone coverage, vast areas of the country still struggle with the lack of high-speed options. This is where the Tesla phone could be revolutionary. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest innovations in the American market. Starlink connectivity promises to bring high-quality internet to virtually every corner of the United States. This is not only a promise to improve the quality of life for Americans in rural areas, but it could also have a profound economic impact. Local businesses, farms, and other enterprises that depend on connectivity will have new opportunities to grow and expand. With the Tesla phone, small businesses will be able to compete with large corporations, offering online services, teleconferences, and even remote operations in locations where communication infrastructure was previously non-existent or insufficient. This focus on improving the lives of Americans in more remote areas also aligns with Elon Musk's vision of creating a more connected and inclusive future. He has mentioned on several occasions his concern with the disparity in access to technology and how Starlink aims to address that. With the Tesla phone, this promise is beginning to materialize, benefiting millions of Americans who would otherwise be left behind in the rapid digital advance. Looking at the bigger picture, the Tesla phone represents more than just a new piece of technology. It is a symbol of American innovation. In the United States, the spirit of innovation and pursuing the impossible has always been a central part of the national fabric. From the great inventions of the 20th century to the digital revolution of the 21st century, Americans have led the way in creating world-changing technologies. Elon Musk, a modern icon of this tradition, is doing exactly that with the Tesla phone. He's not just following market trends, he's creating new directions. And that's one of the reasons why the release of the Pi phone is so significant. In the US, a country known for its startup culture and for embracing risk to achieve big rewards, the Tesla phone has the potential to inspire a new generation of entrepreneurs, engineers, and innovators. The success of the Tesla phone could signal a new phase in the development of technologies that seamlessly integrate various areas of daily life, cars, homes, energy, and communication, into a single device. And if it works, it could also pave the way for new tech ventures in the US, further strengthening the country's tech-based economy. In the end, the Tesla phone represents much more than just another smartphone. It is a key piece of Elon Musk's vision for the future of the United States. A future where connectivity knows no boundaries, where sustainability is at the heart of our daily lives, and where technology is an ally, not a burden. For Americans over 50, the Tesla phone offers something beyond what any other phone on the market currently does. It promises a more personalized, more efficient, and above all, safer experience. At a time when many are becoming more skeptical of technology, concerned with privacy and security, Musk is offering a solution that directly addresses these concerns. Whether you're a technology enthusiast, a Tesla owner, a resident of a rural area struggling to connect to the digital world, or simply someone who values privacy and convenience, the Tesla phone might be the device you've been waiting for. Elon Musk is once again challenging the status quo, and as always, it's impossible to predict exactly where this journey will take us. But one thing is certain: with the Tesla phone, Americans are on the verge of entering a new era of technological innovation. So what do you think? Do you believe this new innovation will change the American smartphone market? Would you buy this smartphone? And what do you think the price will be in the US market? Leave your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.